Best now offers a portfolio of technologically advanced door opening solutions that suit a variety of applications. Best door closers are ADA compliant and are available in 3 models. Each model is designed to withstand daily use in high traffic environments and provide maximum protection against daily usage, metal fatigue, and abrasion. Spring power adjustment for a range of application challenges, including delayed open-close. Built with quality materials to enhance strength and durability. Quality construction protects against metal fatigue and abrasion. A snap-on cover provides access to hydraulic and spring adjustment settings. All-weather hydraulic fluid allows for minimal maintenance. Best door closers are durable in high-use environments. They help prevent injury and assist persons with disabilities. Best closers can help reduce the spread of bacteria and provide timely assistance during emergencies. Best door closers perform well in high-traffic areas such as lobbies. They offer convenience and help eliminate wall damage. Our door closers assist passenger experience, making ingress and egress easier for those carrying luggage. Our door closers also reduce HVAC costs by ensuring all doors close promptly, ensuring a better experience for residents and guests.